Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson V8. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson V8 barely lasts 5 minutes, you're not alone. This issue often arises due to a worn-out battery that can no longer hold a charge effectively. If left unresolved, it can hinder your cleaning routine and lead to more significant issues down the line. Let's get started with the tools you'll need for this repair. You'll require a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a replacement battery compatible with the Dyson V8, and a pair of safety gloves. First, ensure your Dyson V8 is turned off and disconnected from any power source. Begin by locating the grey release button on the handle and pressing it to detach the wand from the main unit. This will give you easier access to the battery compartment. Next, you will need to remove the screws that secure the battery cover. Use your Phillips screwdriver to carefully take out these screws, ensuring you keep them safe for reassembly later. Be gentle when removing the screws to avoid stripping them. Once the screws are out, gently lift the battery cover away from the body of the vacuum. Now, locate the battery itself, which is situated just beneath the cover you've removed. You will see additional screws securing the battery in place. Carefully remove these screws using the same Phillips screwdriver. At this point, if you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After removing the battery screws, gently pull the battery away from the compartment. Be cautious with any attached cables, avoid tugging on them as you extract the battery. With the old battery removed, take your new replacement battery and align it in the compartment, ensuring the connectors match up correctly. Once in place, secure the new battery with the screws you previously removed, making sure they are snug but not overly tight to avoid damaging the battery or the device. Reattach the battery cover by aligning it properly and securing it with the screws. Finally, reattach the wand to the main unit, ensuring it clicks into place. Power on your Dyson V8 to check that it's functioning correctly. It should now last much longer during use. To prevent this issue from recurring, always ensure you store your Dyson V8 in a cool, dry place and consider charging it regularly, even if not in use. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.